Guys, my name is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2020 Bennington 21 SSX Pontoon with a Yamaha 115. This one here is the 4-point fishing option. We'll get a lot of people asking for this, so we started stocking a few of them. This one is the silver exterior here. A good picture of it there. You got nice dual fishing seats up front that are removable if you'd like to move them out of your way. Got a rod holder and trolling motor plug over here on the starboard side. That port side's another live well. So you got 3 live wells in this boat. You got 1 and you got 2 in the back. Nice storage here in front of the console. Got a nice lounge area for those who don't want to fish. We did do the 7-inch Simrad in this one, which is a depth finder, fish finder, chart plotter. It's got the kicker media center, of course. And this one we did do the upgraded fishing station, which is really nice. So you've got a 25-gallon bait well, live well here. You've got, of course, as you can see, a tape measure on top that's engraved. You got tackle storage here. And then you got access to your batteries up under here. Really neat. Battery switch. And turn around, you got another little 15-gallon bait well, live well here. 2 rod holders, 2 cup holders. Rod storage here, here. Of course, the cover for the boat. Again, this is a 2020 Bennington 21 SSX Pontoon with the Yamaha 115. Really laid out, really nice. Plenty of fishing room. It's spacious enough to, if you don't want to fish, you just want to take it out and cruise. And again, this is MarineMax, located in Greenville, South Carolina. If you have any questions, give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.